Hello, I'm Filip the Brabander, living in the beautiful city of Ghent, Belgium. I studied physics specialization of quantum mechanics at the University of Ghent, where I also worked as a researcher in the 90s in the fields of neural networks, natural language processing, and artificial intelligence. But I mainly worked as entrepreneur and software developer engineer, and nowadays I present myself mostly as senior .NET C Sharp full stack standalone consultant freelancer, as well as C++ and SQL specialist. I'm also open to employed work, especially for longer projects. I concentrated on the Microsoft technologies and less on Linux and Java. I worked on more than 40 projects in some 27 different companies. These projects covered many different fields and sectors and tasks, including banking, automation and interfacing electronics, ERP, car leasing, insurance, database migrations, video processing, optical character recognition, speech processing and audio engineering, DSP, natural language processing, dialogue systems, artificial intelligence, and recently ChatGPT interfacing, steel and food industry as well, medical sector, patient record analysis, energy sector, telecom sector, and so on. Regarding methodology, I'm used to Agile and Scrum, DevOps, and continuous integration, continuous deployment, so CI/CD. If allowed, I pay a lot of attention to UI UX, user friendliness, and avoiding the user to wait. I like to write documentation directed toward developers and toward users. I like also self-documenting code and aesthetical, clear and systematic naming in code. Database integrity and optimality. Efficiency in the development progress. I more and more try to automatize code writing if allowed. For planning, I like restructuring my planning. I can also guide younger developers or users, also multilingual teams. I have experience with close everyday remote communication and coordination with Asian and Eastern Europe team members. I also was coach of some 11 very international internship mastership students of the University of Leuven studying artificial intelligence and language technology, who did this internship in my company Netlanco. I speak 5 languages: Dutch, English, French, German, Russian, plus studied 1 year of Chinese. I am creative and a self-starter, and given enough access to the required information, I believe I can solve lots of mathematical or technical problems in software within a reasonable time. I function best in smaller teams, but I have good experience too working in larger teams as well as on my own for a while. I avoid losing time when blocked by external factors by working on other priorities in the meantime. I'm social and I like a bit of humor. And I'm sportive, I play badminton 3 times a week. This video is not a replacement for my CV, but an extra on top of it. Thank you.